What is going on, fellas? Give me 1 minute. Just gotta take care of something real quick. Anyways, as the title reads, Alaska Trucker. What's going on, Alaska Trucker? So, as the title reads, but I guess I need to explain myself a little bit better. So, as you guys know by my previous video, um, one of the trucks got hit again. Uh, so, my question to you guys is: so, say for instance, the truck gets hit. J2 Trucker, what's going on, J2 Trucker? Um, the truck gets hit. Uh, you know, you know the company that hit it. Uh, I mean, you know where the company's at, stuff like that. So, my question to you guys is: should you still call the insurance on them, their insurance, and you know go through the process of that, or should you go straight to the company and tell them, hey, you know, your driver hit my driver. Um, what do you want to do? Do you want to take care of it? You know, you fix it, you pay for it, or do you want me to go through the insurance process? That's I couldn't put that all in the title, but that's pretty much what I'm trying to ask you guys. What do you guys think? I was on a live with uh, the Maya show this morning, and I asked him that, and his thing was, I think that's illegal, but you know, Ricardo Eagle R. Toying, what's going on, bro? So, what do you guys think? Should you report an accident to their insurance, or should you just have the company just take care of the truck? Fix the damages, whatever the truck needs. There was one person on that video that commented, and he says that he's been going he's going on 3 weeks waiting on the paperwork for the insurance so they can pay for the truck to get fixed. Ryan says, give the company a chance first, but that's me. Hmm, not bad, Ryan, not bad. But anyways, yeah, he's been waiting 3 weeks for the insurance, I guess, to release the money so they can fix the truck, or I don't know what the deal is. But my thing is, um, we're not a big company. We're a small company. We're a family-owned company. It's me, my wife, my two boys. That take care of what needs to be taken care of in the company. And as truckers, you guys all know, if you get into an accident, it's going to look bad on you when it comes to insurance. You know, Same thing with companies. When one of my drivers gets into an accident and they report it to the insurance, it goes bad on us. So the more accidents you have, the more your insurance is going to go up. Um, uh, I mean, if it was some reckless driving, where this guy hit my truck. Uh, I would, of course, report it to the insurance, to their insurance. Um, a minor accident like the one that just took place. I don't know. I don't know. That's what I'm putting out there to you guys. What would you guys do? Wayne Jones, if that private property get a police report, give them a chance to settle without insurance. Okay. It was private property. It was on the Flying J. Roadrunner, Vic, can you give me any contact information on how I can start pulling Swift local power only? I'm out of Ontario. All we do is local. I got 3 trucks. Thanks. Yeah, bro. I mean, all you have. This is all you have to do. You got to go to this. You got to go to their website. It's it's that one right there. V Select. Okay. There's a 1-800 number there. Do a carrier package with them, and within maybe 24 hours you'll get approved. But hold on, let me Swift transportation. Let me see if I'm guiding you. I mean, that's the load board that I go to when I'm booking loads for them. The Okay, no, hold on. No, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so let's see. You know what? Let me see. I think we just did a load for them. These are all bills that are not paid for yet. So let me see. Here's a load that we did for them. Okay, here you go, Roadrunner. Here you go. I'm gonna give you a phone number, bro. This is for Swift. Just give them a call. 272-1500. Yep. Ellen. What the hell? Chucho? Commercial vehicle enforcement checkpoints, Paris, California. Um, Roadrunner, give them a call, bro. And what you want to do is you want to ask for a carrier packet. Fill out that carrier package, and then takes about 24 hours, bro, to get approved. They're pretty quick about it. But just stay on them, bro. Just stay on them. But I could have sworn I did it online. I'm trying to. Swift Night Load Board, logistics. Let me see the logistics part. Yeah, you know what, bro? Just call that number. I'm trying to look it up. Swift and I, were you excited to work with you? Thank you. Get started. Okay, I think I found it. Think I found it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right Swift logistics. Okay, so you're gonna go to this website, bro. Go to that website. I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. And get started. Yeah, that's it. Carrier qualifications. Enter your USDOT number to get started. So yeah, just I don't even know if you could see that. So, anyways, yeah, just go to that website, bro. Look for that, and it takes about 24 hours to get approved. If you have any problems, just call that number. But right now, Knight and Swift, they have a whole bunch of freight, and they're paying real good. So, good luck with that, roadrunner. So, anyways, the question of the day: should you report an accident to that company's NBA? What's going on to that? To their insurance. Again, if you go to the insurance, you got to take your truck into a shop. Um, the shop's got to give you an estimate. You got to send it to your insurance. Your insurance has got to look over it and then cut the check. How long does that take? It could take about maybe a week and a half. Um, and it goes bad on that company's record. When they're going to reapply for more insurance coverage, that's gonna it's gonna look bad on them. Their insurance policy might go up, just depending on the insurance who they're working with. So let me tell you guys what I did. I'm not saying for you guys to do it. I don't know whether it's illegal or it's legal. Let me see. Yo, did you ever find parking? Ryan, I found parking, but it's a lousy parking, bro. It's freaking third, and I mean, but I didn't have a choice. NBA, any dry van trailers available out there, Vic? There's dry vans available, but the rates are freaking crazy on it. The prices on it, 2013s for 37,000. So I mean, they're pretty bad. The rates are pretty bad right now. Everybody's taking advantage of the food going up. No shortage of cars because there's no chips, and uh, everybody's just taking advantage of it. And I mean, raising their rates like crazy, like maniacs. So, but anyways, let me get back to the topic. So this is what I did. Um, so the dude hit my truck. He hit my driver, and my driver, he did his diligence. He took pictures of the plates, the logo on the truck, the trailer number, the plates on the trailer. He had a dash cam. His dash cam was on. Good thing. And so, I went down there. I went down there to see what the damage was because I did not want him to drive that truck if there was some damage to it. And so I got down there, and you know, good thing there was just minor damage. The line, the light, the bumper, the corner bumper, and then the hood. The hood cracked, uh, but it was still drivable. So after looking at the logos on the pictures that my driver sent me, I knew who the owner was. Uh, it's crazy because that guy, not only does he own a trucking company, he owns a mechanic shop. and he owns some parking spots in our area. Well, I use this mechanic for the oil changes on my trucks. He also has a car wash, I mean, a truck wash right next to it. So they wash my truck as well. Every time I take my trucks in for services, I just go to the next bay and get them washed at the same time. So I said, okay, well, you know, I'm gonna give him a shot. I'm gonna bring the truck and just tell him, hey, here you go. So I did. I showed up and I told him what had happened, and just by coincidence, the driver that hit the truck is showing up to go to work. So the owner tells him, "Hey, did you hit the truck?" "Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot to tell you." Da da da. Well, what? And I showed the owner the video, and the owner tells me, "You know what? Thank you. Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it." That's what I did. You know, is it legal? But the way I see it is, I know how it is. One of my drivers backs up into another truck, and it's just all bad. When we go reapply for insurance, it's just so if the owner wants to take care of it, if the company wants to take care of it, I say, go for it. Give them a chance because we're all trying to make it. And stuff like this that company drivers don't give a hoot about, they don't think about, which that's what really pissed me off because that driver didn't care. He gave my driver's license, his insurance. He went and parked his truck, jumped in his car, and went home. It just, he didn't even care twice about what was going to happen to his company. And he even told my driver, my company will pay for it, which is, I mean, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad when stuff like that happens. But yeah, that's what I did. Do I recommend for you guys to do it? I don't know. I think it's just a personal basis. I can't recommend anybody to do anything. I don't know if it's legal or illegal. I know we are supposed to report it to the insurance, but I know the consequences of reporting stuff like that to insurances. But like I said, if it was some kind of reckless driving that driver was doing and he hit my truck, for sure I'm going to report it to the insurance because I want that trucker off the road. You know, we don't need truckers like that on the road. They have no business on the road driving like that. But this was just, I don't know. I don't know what it was. If you guys go back to the video I just posted, I don't know what this driver was thinking. He just backed up for no reason. I don't know why. Is it reckless driving? No. I mean, he wasn't paying attention, but it's not reckless driving. At least in my eyes, it's not. So what do you guys think? Did I do the right thing or what? Let me see where we at. Wayne Jones, Flying J would be private property, no injuries. It should be easy to settle between two companies to keep insurance out of the incident. You may want to talk to your attorney. Joe, do you forget report that? Uh, go around insurance, minor stuff. I'm glad. I'm glad. Wayne Jones, I don't think I need to talk to no attorney about that. It's just a matter of morals, just a matter of respecting another owner. That's the way I see it because I know the consequences of me reporting to the insurance. Whether it's private property or not, it's not about that because again, we're all trying to make it out here. His fleet is not huge; it's bigger than mine's, but he's trying to make it just like the rest of us. So uh Did I report that? Report it to my insurance? No. So when you get into an accident, it's not your fault. You're not supposed to give up your information because it's not your fault. You're supposed to get that other person's information. So just keep that in mind. Joe, uh, how do you forget report that? Dang drivers. Oh, the driver. No, I don't think the driver forgot. I think he, like I said, he just, I don't know. Maybe they're not paying him good over there. I don't know. But it's just, the driver just didn't give a hoot, you know? Um, I even try to tell my driver, hey, just I will stick around till I get there. But he just, it's just drivers that just don't care about what they're doing, their company and their equipment. What was the driver thinking? I don't know. I don't know. Even my driver, he was like, I don't know why he was backing up. Yeah, it just didn't make sense why he was backing up. It just, I don't know. But what's your opinion? Is that the right thing to do? Take it to to the company, or right away report it to the insurance? Like I said, I don't know the owner. I've seen him around when I go do the services on the trucks and when I get the trucks washed. But personally, I've never like chopped it up with them or anything. It was just he's walking around like a chicken without no head, trying to take care of everything at the same time. But I just kind of figured, we're both working men. We're both trying to take care of our business, our families, trying to help people out by giving people jobs. So why do that to him? It's just, to me, it's uncalled for. We pay all this money for insurance, and the insurance wants to lag it, you know, and milk it and, pay whenever they want to pay, or they'll get to us when they get to us. But yet, we have to pay it on time every month. If we don't get paid on time, what happens? We pay late fees. But them mother suckers, when it comes to them giving up the money for our trucks, we'll pay all this money into insurances, and they're not they're not willing to jump for us when we need them. How many accidents do we get into? You know, not many. But when we do, they pretend like they're busier than busy. Like every truck out there has gone into an accident at the same time. So we have to wait in line. So, but that's what I did. And I've done it twice already, where I just didn't see the need. I didn't see the need for me to report that company to the insurance, because it's just something that they can fix, or they can give us the money and we'll send it to the shop to get repaired. So, was it a crime? Did I do wrong, or was it just thinking about myself? You know, uh, what would happen if one of my drivers, God forbid, did that, and that other company straight went and told my insurance about it instead of calling me up and asking me, hey, do you want to take care of it? I wish they would, though. Are you down that truck? Yeah, the truck is down right now. Um, the boss says that it should be ready today, uh, at 3 o'clock. So, but I told him, don't worry about it. I'll come pick it up tomorrow. So, ooh, yesterday he called me and he had already gotten the bumper and the hood mirror and the light. So he was just waiting for the hood to be finished off. I think they went and got the hood from a junkyard, and they're just painting it. I don't need a new hood. I don't. Uh, hoods hoods are hoods to me, you know. So I don't care whether you got it from a junkyard or what, you know. Just paint the damn hood, put it back on. As long as it's working like new, it doesn't bother me none. I don't need a new hood, believe me. So I'm gonna go check it out tomorrow. I'll post a video when I get the truck so you guys can check it out, and we'll see. We'll see. Again, he's got a mechanic shop, and he's guaranteeing me if something broke in the engine, what have you. Uh, and I find out while I'm driving it or the driver's driving it, just take it back to him, and he will fix whatever it is that's broken on it. Which I don't think anything's broken on it. I didn't open the hood when the truck got into an accident for that reason, because I didn't know if something was stuck on something, and by popping it, something would have leaked out or what have you. So I just left the hood alone, and I just drove it the way it was over to his shop. So not bad, huh? Somebody was asking me too if I got a loaner truck from him. No, I didn't get a loaner truck. He is gonna pay my downtime, which I mean every insurance does it. So I just gotta figure out, make a reasonable amount on, well, what am I gonna charge him for? If it's ready today, I'll just charge him for 3 days, which is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I just gotta come up with a reasonable amount, to charge him. I'll probably charge him maybe, I don't know, $800 a day, which I think is reasonable. Are you charging him for the money you are losing for the days that the truck is not making money? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I am, and I went to go see the truck today, and I talked to him about that, and he was cool about it. His thing was like, no problem, don't worry about it. Just come up with the amount, and we'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. So that's not an issue. Am I gonna go crazy with the amount? No, I'm not gonna go crazy. I could say that I was picking up a load from here, California, going to New Jersey or something. Try to come up with a scandalous amount, but we're both working men. So I'm not gonna screw the next guy that's just trying to make it just like me. So yeah, we are just gonna do that, and we'll check out the video tomorrow. Alaska Trucker, when you gonna post a video, bro? It's been a while. If you guys don't know Alaska Trucker, he does live in Alaska. He does live in Alaska. He's got a crazy channel. Well, he hasn't posted nothing in a while, but he's righteously from Alaska, and he's doing that ice trucking stuff over there. He used to work for Swift, but for whatever reason, he just decided to go back to ice trucking, his hometown. But good dude. I've met him one time. Uh, didn't have enough time to kick it with him, but we did meet one time. Good people. Good people. Florida is, I'm at 17 gross a week. Working company at the ports. What's an average gross for owner ops? Fernie is it just it can be 17 as well, bro. It can be 17 as well. It just depends on the owner op, when you're talking about a company driver and an owner op, it's a whole different animal, because owner op is his own boss. Company driver has to obey by the company's rules, and owner ops, I mean, they do whatever they want, bro. They push as hard as they want to push. They'll take off as many days as they want to take off. So trying to compare the both is just, it's impossible. Me, when I was driving, I I pushed hard. When I was in the truck, I pushed hard. You know, um, I took. Sometimes I would take 2 days off. Sometimes I would just take 1 day off, just depending on how much money I wanted to make that week. So Joe says working 6 days a week, grossing about 8K. So you see, Fernie, it's just different, bro. It's just different. Again, being an owner operator, you're the boss. You can stop working when you want to stop, or you can just keep going. Uh, Rates are crazy right now. Joe says, yeah, they are. They are. Um, yeah, you have your rules and regulations that you have to follow by, but FMCSA and all their rules and regulations, they're ridiculous. They're ridiculous. And all this new generation that's coming up as truck drivers, I mean, they think this is the life, the 10 hours or 11 hours that you're supposed to drive, and then the 30-minute break. And, truck drivers, we didn't do that. You know, we slept when we were picking up loads. We took our breaks when we were delivering the loads. That was it. That's all. We didn't play. When it was time for us to sleep, we slept. Uh, and that was when we were delivering and picking up loads. But we pushed. We pushed. We did not. Uh, this FMCSA crap that they came out with, the logs and all this, for better terms, BS. That's all it is, BS. Uh, and owner operators to this day, they still, if they need to make some money, they're gonna make the money. I don't know too many truckers that need 10 hour sleeps. You know, Most truckers, they're good with 4.5 hours, and they're good to go. And we can go another, I don't know, maybe 12 hours non-sleep. Just push. And we ain't seeing cross-sighted. We ain't seeing all that. By only getting 4.5 hours of sleep. That's that's just the way we used to work. We used to truck like that. As soon as they came out with all this FMCSA rules and regulations, that's what I think killed everybody. And then this new generation of truckers, they're just like donkeys, just following along. Yes, 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 we got to do it like this. This is the law. But trucking is a way of life. It's not. It's not a job. You know. Some people see it as a job. The ones that do see it as a job, because they're working for a company, and they're used to just getting that salary pay, 6, 7, 800 bucks, however it is that you're making. But owner operators, they push, bro. So I know I'm going out to left field with it. Roadrunner, yeah, no problem, bro. Pop Tart, how you doing, lady? Just checking in. And what did I miss? You missed a whole bunch of blabbering. Super 29 Vegas. Yes, indeed. J Boss Wood, what's going on, bro? 333. I had 3 logbooks in the good old days. See? That's just the way we trucked. That was the life. Now they're trying to make us robotic. Some lame behind the desk is saying truckers shouldn't work more than how many hours we're supposed to work under their eyes. But this lame has never been in the truck, has never drove, but yet he's making the rules and regulations. And then you got some side buster on the side, probably some union idiot telling them, yeah, after 10 hours, 11 hours, yeah, I'm dead. So I need my 30 minutes, I need my 20 minutes, which we weren't dead. We just kept rolling. We just pulled over to the truck stop, bought us a strong coffee, and vamonos. So yeah, okay. Where we at? Joe. Trucking's not a job. Trucking is a lifestyle. That's right. That's the way I've always seen it. Trucking is a lifestyle. It's a beautiful lifestyle. Uh, how many of us get paid just to travel? And just look at every state, look at every weirdo out there on the freeway, on the streets. Who gets paid for that other than truckers? We do. It's a lifestyle, believe me. uh ba, ba, ba. Pop Tart, Vic, you gonna be Santa's this no, no, but yeah, I am gonna buy a whole bunch of presents for my grandkids, that's for sure. Truck life, baby. That's right. That's right. Super 29 Vegas. Only time I stop if it's traffic in big cities. 8 p.m. back rolling. That's the way to do it, man. I mean, that's the way. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Now they're getting so critical that they want to come out with electric trucks and self-driving trucks. I mean, electric trucks, all right, whatever, but self-driving trucks, uh, they're just putting too much on it. If FMCSA would just let us keep doing what we're doing, if they would stop with their BS, taking breaks, uh, reset, all this new terminology that they came out with, if they would just stop all that crap and just let truckers be truckers, we wouldn't have that clutter that we have down here in California and Long Beach. All them containers that are stuck in the port, we wouldn't have it, you know, because truckers would be truckers. Truckers would come from freaking New York just to come and visit California and grab a container. But since FMCSA and the government has put so many rules and regulations on the transportation department, on the transportation businesses, that our hands are tied behind our backs. We can only do so much because of these bozos. But if they would just ease up, just let us do what we've been doing without their dumbass rules and regulations, believe me, life would be better for the transportation department. If the union people would just finally realize we don't want to become union. Nobody wants a pension and enjoy that money at 60 something years old. Uh, I got my in-laws. They have pensions. What do they do with that money? They sit at home, watch TV all freaking day, watch CNN all freaking day. And then when they get near us, that's all they want to do is just talk about the news. They have a pension. They can't even enjoy it because they're old. So screw a pension. Be an owner operator, like I tell everybody, be an owner operator. Enjoy your money now. My drivers, when they call me and they tell me, "Hey, Victor, can I take a day off? See you tomorrow, bub." I want them to enjoy the money. I want them to enjoy their hard labor. Uh, I pay them on 1099s. They make great money. All my drivers make great money. My owner operators, same thing. They make great money. I don't push no dispatch on them. I let them ask me for work. I'll give them this load and I just put it out there. If you need some more work, just let me know. That's it. Right now, I have a hell of a team. They're they're working. Uh, two of my guys work 6 days out of the week. The rest of my guys, they push 5 days out of the week. They push. So I got a great team right now. Let me see where we at. Joe says, "I always had hours to drive, Vic." Laugh out loud. That's right, Joe. uh, Pop Tart gone trucking. Vic, you still hauling Amazon? And how are the rates? I uh, I haul Amazon, but I just don't like Amazon. Um, I think the last Amazon load we did was I'll say like a week and a half ago. I just don't like Amazon. I don't like their system. You know, um, if you're 4 minutes late, they're emailing me or calling the driver. And if you're working on the app, it's alerting you on the app that you're late. Stuff like that. I don't really like Amazon. The rates they're still pretty cheap right now. They're still pretty cheap. They're not the greatest, which I would have thought by now they would be booming. Where they're paying good money like before. Last year they were paying great money. Was it like maybe 17, 18 miles? Uh, they were paying you like 320, and it was just a drop and hook. It was one of their trailers. You're just moving it over to another one of their facilities. But right now their rates are still pretty bad. So I haven't touched any power only with them. Well, what I am doing is with my own trailers. We're moving. Well, we're not moving. We just did one load about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks for them. But other than that, I try to stay away from Amazon as much as possible. It's just to me, it's just not worth it. Uh, and then if the driver's a little late, I hate calling the driver because I'm a trucker too. I was in the truck before, and I hate calling the trucker and telling him, "Hey, where you at?" I know what his response is gonna be. I know what his response wants to be. Mother effer, I'm in traffic, fool. Wait. So that's why I don't like Amazon. But the rates right now they're still not the greatest. Let's see where did I leave off. Oh shuts. Vlux. What's going on, bro? Vlux Trucking California. Trucking California with Vlux 18. Go check out that channel, man. He's got he's got some good stuff, man. His channel is addicting. If you guys haven't seen his channel, go check him out. His channel is addicting. That dude, he puts out some good videos. Him on the road. He'll give you rates. He'll give you what how much he's done. Through the week. He'll break it down for all you guys that are company drivers and are thinking about being owner operators. I recommend that channel highly because he just started himself and he's rolling. That guy, he's doing his thing, man. My hats out to you, bro. You are doing your thing. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. Uh, Vic, I saw you earlier in the Asian Maya show too. Learning from the best. I'm just trying, bro. I'm just trying. Joe, I was told I would never make money looking out a window. I make bank looking out a win all day and all night long. Laugh out loud. Vic, do you start driving when our hours of service was 10 and 8 off? Uh, Joe, I hours of service were never an issue for me. I've never when I was driving, I I never abide by the rules. Uh, I forged whatever I need to forge, but when they started coming up with all these rules and regulations, I just tried to dodge them as much as I could, and I couldn't make no money, with their rules and regulations. I guarantee you, I guarantee you, if an owner operator nowadays, like for instance, Truck in California with Vlogs 18, if he would not do what the FMCSA is telling him to do, I guarantee you he would make some great, great money. I mean, he's making good money now, but he would make some great freaking money the way we used to truck. But nowadays, it's just follow the rules or else, you'll get shut down, stuff like that. But yeah, Carlos, a few videos back, I agree with you on the unions. They are so lazy most times and don't want to do their job that they make truckers wait for hours and hours at a time. You think animation will happen? I'm hoping animation happens in all the ports, Carlos, all the ports, because I mean the union is not taking care of business in the ports whatsoever. Even though I hate to say, you know, a robot is going to take a human's job, but at the ports, Long Beach and LA ports, these union people just need to get the hell out of there because, yeah, they're lazy, they're retarded, they have attitude, like they own that son of a biscuit. Uh, they get a wild hair up there, you know what, and they take it out on all the freaking truckers there. But yeah, that is one place that the union just needs to leave. They just need to get some regular workers in there and get the job done. Believe me, union is not taking care of business in the ports. They need to go. Truck in California. I drive the same lanes. Okay. Uh, Super 29 Vegas. Amazon contractors be haul a money. Uh, Now I understand why. Okay, Super 29 Vegas. I did not get that, bro. Very addicting, Vic. Laugh out loud. It is. It is, bro. It is. It is. Uh, that dude puts out a video, and I'm sitting there like a freaking idiot. Just what the hell? And then he's got a hell of a truck too. That freaking beast. It's a nice looking truck, man. No problem. Truck in California with Velux. Uh, Hi Vic. You appreciate that, Assam. Do cooling hoses shrink in the cold? I got a minor leak from where the screw on the clamp goes. I tighten it. That's just the clamp itself, bro. I just replaced the clamp myself. It's just the clamp itself. The clamps expand, deflate. It's just a clamp. You can't just replace the screw. You have to replace the whole freaking clamp. And just to play it safe, just replace the hose. That's what I normally do. If a clamp goes out and the hose, I can replace the hose without going through a bunch of problems. That's all I do. Just replace both clamps, and then I'll replace the hose as well. That's just a sign that um, it just needs to be replaced. It's not about uh, tightening it back up or anything. It's your sign. Replace me already. So I would do that. Jess, I agree. I agree with you. Unions suck. Was stuck at ITS for 6 hours. Yeah. No, I've been stuck in them ports for 8, 9 hours. You know. Uh, when me and my wife were working, living in the truck, I was stuck in there for. I think one time I got stuck there for 9.5 hours, and then they closed the port and kicked me out. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. That's just the way union people roll, and they just need to get the hell out of there. They need to go find somebody else to work them ports because union people, they ain't worth 2 day flies. Hold on, fellas. I am, it's 3 o'clock. It's Friday. I'm still dispatching. Believe me. Even though I'm with you guys, I'm still dispatching. Anyways, let's get back to you guys' comments. Joe. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's what I did. Back to the topic. Uh, the guy hit my guy, and I just went and spoke to the owner of the company. And the owner of the company was he was good enough to take responsibility, and say, don't worry about it. He didn't argue with me about it or anything. I showed him the video of his truck backing up into mines, and he didn't argue with me whatsoever. He just said, I appreciate it, thank you. We'll take care of it. So um, some people might say it's wrong, some people might say it's right, but I'm just looking at it from an owner's perspective. Um, and I don't want anybody's company being tainted over a minor accident like that. It wasn't a big issue. Whether he let off the brakes or what have you, and the truck just rolled back and he didn't notice. It's not that serious. But guarantee I guarantee you, if this was some kind of reckless driving where he went to another lane because he was playing with his phone, or I see a lot of these guys that have these automatic trucks. They have their foot up against the dashboard, or their foot up against the window, the driver window, and they're driving like this with one leg up. If it was one of them dummies, believe me, I would have reported his ass. But it wasn't. It was just something minor. And the dash cams do help, fellas. If you are out there driving, get your dash cam. Dash cams can save your behind when it comes to stuff like this. And at the same time, you'll see some crazy stuff, and you might want to tell it, or you might want to put it on YouTube. And you see some crazy stuff out there on the road, believe me. And best way to have it is by having a dash cam. And that driver right there, he always has his dash cam on, and it's saved him both times. Both times that incidents had happened to him, it's saved him because of the dash cam. This last guy, he tried to tell my driver, where's the damage on my trailer? I don't see no damage. And he busted out with the video and said, look, this is you. Once he seen the video, he knew it was over. He was like, okay, all right. So he gave up all his information, but yeah. Yeah, good thing he had a dash cam. Yeah, exactly. I have two dash cams. Damn. I guess that's the way to do it, Joe. But yeah, fellas, I mean, dash cams they're great, man. They are great. They're great. Nowadays, especially with all this insurance fraud that's going on with four wheelers, you know, they think truckers, are making millions of dollars, when in reality, four wheelers don't understand what they're doing to us. When they're causing these accidents just to get some kind of money off the trucking company, they don't understand uh, what that does to us as a company. We'll go file for our insurance again. It's going to look all bad. They're going to want a whole bunch of money down. And brokers and shippers are not really going to want to touch us because of stuff like this. But four wheelers are criminals, if you ask me. They don't know what it is that they're doing. All they're doing is just looking out for themselves, trying to make a quick buck. And so they're trying to damage us. And it's not a good thing. Believe me, it's not a good thing to do that to trucking companies, because we are trying hard to deliver stuff for you guys to be able to go into these stores and buy stuff. Whether you want to believe it or not, without us, you wouldn't have the stuff that you have in the stores. Now they're coming out with robotic trucks. Now, we'll see if they can deliver to the stores. We'll see if they can roll down doors, open doors up, uh, lower landing gears, disconnect the glad hands and electric lines. We'll see if they can do that. So, anyways, fellas, I'm in this video for 55 minutes. That's a lot. Anyways, so that's what I did. Instead of reporting this guy to the insurance company, I just went directly to the boss, and we're having the truck fixed now. Do I recommend for you guys to do it? No. I recommend for you guys to do what you guys think is right. Shit. Hold on, fellas. So do I recommend for you guys to do this? No. You gotta think about it. You have to be your own man and come up with your own decision. Don't do what I do. I'm just telling you guys what I did. Yeah, you should, Joe. Anyways, if you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. Thank you, everybody, for coming in and chopping it up with me. Uh, we'll see you guys on our next video.